How's it going, folks? SYGTECH is here. This is a just quick video. I'm filming with the DJI Nano. As you can see, I'm in my studio. I have lights on each side, which I'm gonna show you right now. So we have one light on this side, we have another light on this side, and we have some lights behind me, as you can see. But overall, this is the quality from the studio. Also, this is the onboard mic from the Nano. So let me know in the comments down below how is the video quality and also how is the audio quality. The settings that I'm using right now obviously are pretty standard. So we have 10-bit for the color, for the preset for the colors. We have the bitrate is high, 4K 60 frames per second. The sharpness and the texture -1 as well on both settings, and the rest is on auto. So how is the video quality on the Osmo Nano and the audio quality? Leave your thoughts in the comment sections down below. Thank you for watching, guys.